What is up, you guys? Leo Cott here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing review of the Nintendo Switch game of Just Dance 2019. 40 new hits plus 400 songs, accessible with Just Dance Unlimited. So this is a free, and it's brought to you by Ubisoft. So you've got the front, side, back. It all starts with a beat, 40 new songs. Don't know where that game card is gone. Then you got Just Dance Unlimited. And then you got the customer service then. That was it for today. Like, subscribe and comment. See you tomorrow. Bye.